Bitcoin Cash may gain 11% by March 1 per Gov Capital Collector. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. As we speak, Bitcoin Cash is down 5.6% on the day and trades close to $459.40. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. CoinDataFlow's data implies a dip to $417.93 by March 1, suggesting a decline of about 9%. 30 Rates expects Bitcoin Cash to retreat to $437, a projected drop of about 4.9%. Coin price forecast highlights the potential to reach $463, a rise of approximately 0.8%. A different prediction by Gov Capital Collector expects Bitcoin Cash to reach $510.13, an estimated gain of 11%. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions suggests a move to $555.07 by March 1, roughly 20.8% higher. That's the most profitable path reviewed. 5 opinions shared. Let's go to the next piece. All forecasts considered, here's the overall summary. Based on every forecast reviewed in this report, the price is projected to move between a decline of 9% and an increase of 20.8%, depending on the analyst. It appears Crypto Predictions ends up with the highest projected return, with 20.8% increase in value by March 1. To sum it up, you could earn between $8 and $208 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, Coin Price Forecast tops the list with a 91.3% chance of success. Looking at every forecast, I've summarized them into one consensus scenario. The forecasts together outline Bitcoin Cash at about $476.63. Here's what it looks like up close. Consensus Outlook places the price up around 3.7%. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 3.7%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $37 under this forecast. According to the consensus, the likelihood of this outcome is estimated at about 71.1%. Let's briefly shift to the 3-day horizon and see what analysts project. CoinDataFlow expects a bearish continuation. Also, 30 Rates sees Bitcoin Cash on a downward slope. Upside potential is noted by Coin Price Forecast, who stays optimistic. In line with this, likewise, Gov Capital Collector projects continued growth. The near-term outlook, additionally stressed by Crypto Predictions, is clearly bullish. The consensus outlook highlights Bitcoin Cash advancing on a rising path over the 3-day period. In total, 60% of analysts point to an upward direction for Bitcoin Cash. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. The question is, which ones matched reality? As a result, the day closed with the price at $461.50. 3 out of 5 analysts made the right forecast about the direction. 30 Rates had the most spot on prediction. Let's lay it all out. Every forecast missed the daily limits completely. Looking at ROI, a few forecasts were in the green, and 30 Rates achieved the top return of 7.6%. And now on screen is the full fact check summary. A quick look at how the forecasts actually performed. In the summary, CoinDataFlow shows $36.62 accuracy, 96.7% forecast probability, and 7.6% ROI. See if you can spot the forecast that proved most accurate. Now you'll see how tomorrow's forecasted gains differ between Bitcoin Cash and several other coins. Bitcoin Cash leads all forecast comparisons with an estimated profitability of 3.7%. For now, this view includes Bitcoin Cash and 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability overview and complete analyst stats will soon appear on my website and Telegram. Stay ahead of the crowd. Subscribe so you don't miss when the next asset starts climbing. See you soon.